Hello, my friends all over the world. Welcome to English Easy Voice. My name is Alex, and right now you are in the perfect place if you want to learn real English. The easy way, the fun way, and the natural way. Chapter 1. A normal, happy morning. Look at this picture. This is a small, beautiful house. The house is yellow and white. In this house lives a 10-year-old boy. His name is Allie. Say with me, Allie. Good. Allie has a mother. Allie has a father. Allie has one little sister. Her name is Lena. And most important, Allie has a dog. The dog's name is Max. Repeat, Max. Max is not big. Max is small. Max is brown and white. Max has soft fur. Max has big brown eyes. Max has a long, happy tail. When Max is happy, the tail goes left, right, very fast. Every morning, the same thing happens. Let's watch. Soft morning music. B-roll. Cartoon sun rising. Birds singing. Allie wakes up. He opens his eyes. He stretches his arms. He yawns. Then he hears, woo, woo. Max is jumping on the bed. Allie laughs. Good morning, Max. Max licks Allie's face. Lick, lick, lick. Allie says, stop, Max. That tickles. Allie gets out of bed. He wears blue pajamas. He walks to the bathroom. Max follows him. Tip, tip, tip. Small paws on the floor. In the bathroom, Allie brushes his teeth. Up and down, up and down. Max sits and waits. Then Allie washes his face with water. Splash, splash. Now Allie goes to the kitchen. Mom is there. Mom says, good morning, my sweet boy. Allie answers, good morning, Mom. Dad is drinking tea. Dad says, good morning, champion. Little sister Lena is eating cereal. Max sits under the table and waits for food. Allie gives Max one small piece of bread. Max eats it in 1 second. No, no, no. After breakfast, Allie says the magic words. Mom, can I take Max to the park? Mom smiles and says, yes, but come back before lunch. Allie jumps with happiness. Thank you, Mom. Allie puts on his red shoes. He takes the blue leash. Click. The leash is on Max's collar. Allie opens the door. Max runs out first. Allie shouts, wait for me, Max! And the adventure begins. Soft cliffhanger music. Alex smiling. End of chapter 1. How are you feeling? Happy? Good. Let's repeat some new words together. I say the word. You say it after me. Ready? Morning. Wake up. Yawn. Brush teeth. Wash face. Kitchen. Breakfast. Leash. Park. Adventure. Excellent job. Give yourself a high five. When you are ready, we go to chapter 2. The big park and the moment everything changes. Say, next chapter, Alex. Perfect. Here we go. Chapter 2. Scene heading. The big green park. First, 10 minutes of freedom. Summary. Allie and Max arrive at the park. We learn park vocabulary. Action verbs. Run, jump, throw, catch, colors, and prepositions in, on, under, behind, next to happy upbeat music, B-roll, green grass, tall trees, children playing, birds flying, Alex excited but slow and clear. Chapter 2. Welcome to the big green park. Look at this beautiful place. This is the park. Say park. Say park. Now tears come to Allie's eyes. Tears 'cause water from eyes when we are sad. Allie wipes his eyes with his hand. He sees an old man sitting on a bench. The man has white hair and a walking stick. Allie runs to him. He tries to speak politely. Allie, excuse me, uncle. Old man. Yes, Beta. Allie, have you seen my dog? Old man. What does he look like? Allie, he is brown and white, small. His name is Max. Old man. No. Sorry, I didn't see him. Allie says, thank you. Even though he is sad. Good manners are important, even when we are sad. Ellie keeps searching. He asks a group of children on the swings, hi, did you see a brown and white dog? Children? No. Sorry. He asks a woman walking with a baby, excuse me, Auntie. Have you seen my dog, Max? Woman? No, dear. Good luck. 10 minutes pass. 20 minutes pass. Allie's legs are tired. His voice is tired, but he cannot stop. Now the feeling becomes bigger. He is not just worried. He is scared. Scared. Oh, afraid something bad happened. Repeat, I am scared. Allie sits on the ground. He puts his face in his hands. He whispers, please come back. Max, please. William, single tear animation on screen. Alex, gentle voice. End of chapter 3. Let's practice the new sentences you just learned. Excuse me. Have you seen what does he look like? Good luck. I am worried. I am scared. Please come back. Repeat each one 3 times. I will wait for you. Pause 15 seconds. You are doing amazing work. Your English voice is growing every minute. Ready for chapter 4? This is where we meet new friends who will help Allie. Say, let's go help Allie. Here we go. Chapter 4. Scene heading. Sarah enters the story. The kind girl with pink shoes. Summary, we meet Sarah, a new character. We learn how to describe people, clothes, numbers, and how to be kind and helpful. Soft, hopeful music. B-roll. A little girl with pink shoes walking with her mom. Alex, warm and excited voice. Chapter 4. A new friend appears. While Ali is sitting sad on the ground, someone new is coming to the park. This is Sarah. Say Sarah. Sarah is 9 years old. She has long black hair in 2 ponytails. She is wearing a pink t-shirt and white shorts. She has bright pink shoes, very easy to see. Sarah comes to the park every afternoon with her mother. Her mother is pushing Sarah's little brother in a stroller. Sarah loves animals. She loves dogs, cats, birds, everything. She always says, and animals are our friends. Today, Sarah is eating an ice cream cone, vanilla flavor. She is walking slowly and looking at flowers. Suddenly, she hears a very small sound from the flowers. Woof! Just one tiny woof. Sarah stops. Chapter 5. Scene heading. The big reunion. Tears and happiness. Summary. Sarah finds Allie. Emotional reunion. We learn feeling words, cry, laugh, thank you, and how to say sorry and thank you many times. Emotional music starts slow and beautiful. Alex's voice full of emotion. Chapter 5. The moment we were waiting for. Allie is still sitting on the grass. His face is in his hands. Tears are falling. Plop, plop, plop on the ground. He is thinking, maybe Max is gone forever. I will never see him again. Suddenly, from far away, he hears a voice. Allie, your dog Max is here. Allie looks up fast. His eyes are red from crying. He sees a girl in pink shoes running toward him. She is holding Max. Allie jumps up. He runs faster than he has ever run in his life. His legs feel like they have wings. Max, Max. Max hears Allie's voice. He starts barking and moving like crazy in Sarah's arms. Woof, woof, woof. Sarah puts Max down. Max runs straight to Allie. He jumps into Allie's arms. Allie falls on the grass with Max on his chest. Allie is crying, but now they are happy tears. He hugs Max so tight, Max licks Allie's face. Lick, 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 non-stop. Allie keeps saying, Max, my Max, you came back. I love you so much. Sarah stands there smiling. Her mom is smiling too. Allie finally stands up. He walks to Sarah with Max in his arms. His voice is shaking. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. I thought I lost him forever. Sarah answers, You're welcome. I found him under the flowers. He was scared, but now he is happy again. Allie says, You are the kindest girl in the world. Sarah becomes shy and looks down. Allie asks, What is your name? I am Sarah. I am Allie, and this is Max. Say thank you, Max. Max barks once. Woof! Everyone laughs. Now, Allie and Sarah sit together on the grass. They let Max run a little, but this time, with the leash, they talk and talk. They become new friends in just 5 minutes. B-roll, Allie and Sarah laughing. Max rolling on grass. Sunset colors starting. Alex, happy voice. End of chapter 5. The happiest chapter so far. Let's practice the emotional sentences. I thought I lost him forever. Happy tears. You came back. I love you so much. You are the kindest person. You're welcome. We are friends now. Repeat each one with feeling. You did it. Give yourself a big hug from me. The story is not finished. There are many more chapters. Going home, telling the family, learning from the mistake, a thank you gift for Sarah, and even a big surprise party. Take a small break, drink water, stretch. When you are ready, say more story, Alex. I am waiting with the next chapter scene heading, walking home together. The Golden Evening Summary. Allie, Sarah, Sarah's mom, and Max all walk home together. We learn directions, street vocabulary, polite conversation, and how to invite someone. Golden sunset music, warm orange sky, long shadows. Alex relaxed, walking pace voice. Chapter 6. The walk home under the orange sky. The sun is going down slowly. The sky is orange, pink, and purple. It is the most beautiful evening. Allie is holding Max's leash very tightly this time. No more losing. Sarah is walking right next to Allie. Sarah's mom is pushing the stroller. Baby brother is sleeping. They leave the big park gate together. Let's learn the things we see on the way. Home, road, sidewalk, the walking path beside the road, zebra crossing, white lines for crossing the road, traffic light, red, yellow, green, bus stop, small shop. They sell chips, cold drinks, candies, street dogs sleeping under a car, mosque, beautiful green dome, children playing cricket in the street. Allie points and teaches Sarah new words. And now we learn with them. Allie, look. Sarah, that is a rickshaw. Sarah, rickshaw. Okay, Allie. And that big tree is a mango tree. Sarah, mango tree. I love mangoes. They laugh. Sarah's mom asks Allie, Allie, where do you live? Allie answers, just 5 minutes from here. Blue gate number 18. Mom, perfect. We will drop you home safely. Now, Allie becomes brave. He looks at Sarah and says, "Sarah, tomorrow, do you want to come to my house? We can play with Max in the garden." Sarah's eyes become big and shiny. "Yes, I want to come." Mom smiles and says, "Okay, tomorrow after 4 so." Allie jumps a little. Max barks happily. Woof, woof. They reach Ali's blue gate. Dad is standing outside waiting and looking worried. When he sees Allie and Max, he runs fast. "Dad, Allie, where were you?" "I was so worried." "Allie, Dad, Max was lost, but Sarah found him. She is my new friend." Dad looks at Sarah and her mom. He puts his hands together and says, "Thank you. Thank you from my heart." Sarah's mom, "No problem at all. Children must help children." Thank you for watching English Easy Voice. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment.